What we're going to talk about first is taxes. I had 2 questions come in specifically about trading and how you should be looking to pay taxes as a trader. Now, before I give any advice or any input at all in this topic, I have to preface it by saying the most important thing that you do as someone who is actively taking initiative to move their business in a more professional manner, and conduct their business in a more professional manner, you should be working with an accountant. So if you need one, email me, drop a comment down below. I'm more than happy to introduce you to my accountant. He's very capable, very well versed in what we're trying to do as traders, and he's helped me set up different companies, different entities to help save money in taxes. So when you're trading, if you're taking it seriously, there's no reason to be trading in a personal account, in my opinion. I think if you're trading and you're taking it, like I said, very seriously as a business, trying to generate either part-time or full-time income through it, you should be trading as an entity, and the accountant can help you set that up. Because even something as simple as setting up an LLC or an S-Corp or something like that, you would want the accountant to do that. We literally just paid our accountant, JD, to do that for us, to set up another entity for us. So it's important that you don't overlook the fact that, yeah, it might sound simple to just set up a new business and start trading with that business, but it's not. You want to make sure it's set up the right way, and I think you can only do that if you work with the right people. And one of those people, one being a lawyer, the other one being the accountant. So reach out to me if you're listening, if you need an accountant that can help you make better decisions with your trading business and help you save money on your taxes overall.